Okay, I already have one completed, but I'm going to show you how I did it. You have two outlets, make sure the orientation is the same. Both grounds are at the bottom. Gold screw is for the black wire, and the chrome screw is for the white wire. What you do is you cut off two pieces of wire about 3.5 inches long, snip the plastic off of it, and you make loops on each end for each one. So we're going to start out with the gold first. With the gold, always make sure that you put the loop around so when you turn the screw in, it turns and tightens it. Because if you do it the opposite way, it's going to make the wire pop out as you tighten it down. So here we go. There is one. Now what you do next, take your next one, and now what you're going to do is you're going to go across it and go over to the same side of the gold screw, which is right here, into this gold screw. Sometimes I like pinching it a little bit. There we go. So now when you turn the screw, it's going to screw into it. And tighten them up. Now, there are your first two. The black is hooked to the black here. So now you have two outlets hooked together. Now we have to do the chrome screws for the two whites. Here and here to go to the same terminal. So we'll just start out. You're on the bottom one. Take your white wire, hook it around. I like squeezing them a little bit more, make sure they're in there nice. Again, when you turn the screw, it's going to turn with this, so it's not going to make the wire pop out on the end as soon as you tighten it up. There's that one. Now we're going to bring this over. The same silver screw now on the same bottom terminal. It gets tight once in a while, but you can get it. There we go. And I like to tighten it back up a little bit, just like that. There. There. Now both your receptacles are tied together. Now all you do is hook the hot up from the box to the chrome and the gold wire there, plus the one ground wire. So here we go. Here's your box and here's your two wires. The white wire and the black wire. We're going to take your box that you made. Now the two screws we're going to use is the silver one and the gold one on this end. That's it. We'll start with the black. So we're going to take the black. Set it inside the hole just like that. Tighten it down. So we're going to take your white wire and do the same thing to the white wire. tight. Then we're going to take your one ground. We're going to put the ground around the ground screw, which is the green screw. Which can be tried this way. Tighten up the ground screw. Next, what you got to do is fit them in here, which is the worst part. Push the wires inside. Line up your two screws. Fit them in there loosely. Do the same with this side. And that's basically it. You have your faceplate, which I'm not going to put on yet because I still have to insulate and put wood up. I just wanted to show you how to hook up two outlets to one circuit. Thanks.